Alright, so I have the code running. I'm just going to test the procs. Sped that up a little bit. That opens. Closes normally. Let's do another one just to show that it's not actually luck. And there you go. It really is super fast. Haha. Alright, so we have our initialization up and running. The IR sensors are calibrating themselves. They're running a 10-second auto calibration routine. Over here we have a bay with pure glass, one with purely contaminated glass, so glass that has every glass has some piece of metal in it, and then a mixed load. And we have our trapdoor over here, just in case something falls out. On the final prototype, we will have empty partitions in between each, but right now, just for simplicity and ease of testing, I'll be going through like this. And so we're hand spinning for now. And nominally, with this first set, nothing should be detected at all. So as that passes through the sensors, as we can see over here, trapdoor isn't doing anything. That's good. In the final prototype, we'll have a second trapdoor over there, which will open and let the glass out. So now if we have some glass that has metal in it pass through, you can see the trapdoor just opened, and so timing-wise, that will have let the contaminated glass fall into this bin here. And over here we have a mixed load, some glass with metal. As you can see here, the IR sensor is outputting relatively low difference with respect to the expected glass. And so now once we run this past, we should see, even if we move it at a decently high speed, that the trapdoor opens here and the glass would fall off